How to download the latest Joomla version and install it on your server. For this tutorial, you will need to open your web browser and go to http://www.joomla.org. Scroll down and right. Click Download Joomla. Scroll down. Click the link next to the version you wish to download. It is recommended that you save the file to your desktop so that you can find it easily. Make sure Save File is selected and click OK. Now you will need to unzip the file and upload it to your server. Go to the location where you saved the file. Right-click the file and unzip it. Double-click the folder to open it. Now you will need to use an FTP client such as FileZilla to upload Joomla to your server. Make sure you have entered your host name, username, and password and are connected to your server before proceeding. Press Ctrl+A to highlight all the files and folders. Click and drag them into the directory you want to upload them to. Once all of the files have finished uploading, go to your new Joomla site in your browser. It is now time to install Joomla on your server. Choose the language you wish to use during the installation and click Next. This page will show a list of requirements and recommended settings. If your server doesn't meet all of these, Joomla may not function properly. For this installation, we need to make the configuration.php file writable. Go back to the directory where you uploaded Joomla in your FTP client. Scroll down to configuration.php dist. Right-click and select Rename. Now, right-click and select File Attributes. Change the numeric value to 777 and click OK. Return to your Joomla installation in your browser. Click Check again to recheck your requirements. Once all the requirements are met, click Next to continue the installation. Here you can read the license information. Click Next. On this page, you will need to enter your database information. If you haven't already created the database on your server, you will need to do that before continuing. Enter the host name, usually localhost. Enter the database username. Enter the password. Scroll down. Type the database name. Scroll up. Click Next. This step allows you to create an FTP account that will be used to access only your Joomla site and not the entire web server. Select Yes to enable the FTP. Create an FTP username and password. Type in the FTP root path. Click Next. Enter a name for your site. Type in your email address. This is what you will use to log into your site. Type a password and confirm it. Scroll down. Now you can choose to install the sample data. This will populate your database with the default Joomla data and is recommended for new users. Click Install Sample Data. Wait until the data has been installed. This can take up to several minutes. Scroll up. Click Next. Success! Joomla has now been installed on your server. Before you can use your Joomla site, you will need to completely remove the installation directory. This can be done through any FTP manager. Once this is done, click Site. Here you can view your new Joomla site. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to download Joomla and install it on your server.